In this video, I'm showing you how to add captions like Alex Hormozi's to your videos. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing. And once you've done that, please go down below and consider leaving a like. And let's jump straight into this guide. Here we are on my phone, but I want to make it clear this guide is going to work on computers as well, and Android, iPhone, they're all going to work, as the app I'm showing you is actually downloadable on all these platforms. So the first thing you need to do is head to the App Store or just your web browser, and you need to go and get an app or an application called CapCut. Go and search for it just like so. It's a completely free video editor and it's really good. So go and open it up just like so. Now, if you haven't got CapCut before, then you're going to need to go and create a brand new project. So tap on new project and make sure you allow access to your camera roll, and then go and add the videos which you want to go and add the captions to, and add the Alex Hormozi captions to. And then what I'll show you as well is how to post them on TikTok and your Instagram Reels as well. So in this case, I've already got an existing CapCut project I want to go and add these to. Literally, it's just me speaking. And yeah, let's go and get into this. So all you need to do is, once you're on CapCut and you've got your video, is go and click on text. Make sure you haven't selected the video. If you select the video and it looks like this, you've got white bars, press on the back button in the bottom left. So you've got all these options at the bottom. And then you need to go and click on text, just like so. Then as you can see at the bottom, we've got this option for auto captions, and there's auto lyrics as well, but you want to go and tap on auto captions just like so. And there are a few settings you can go and choose here. Personally, I haven't used a voiceover, I'm just using the original sound. So then once you're ready, go and press start just like so. Now the length this takes is going to depend on how long the video is and how many captions you're trying to generate. Anyway, they've now been generated. So now if I go and scroll over, as you can see, there they are. Now what's important to note is as well, as these are very basic, we can go and fully customize these and make them really look like Alex Hormozi. So yeah, as you can see, there they are. So the first thing you want to do is go and tap on one of the captions. So I'll tap on the first one. Then in the bottom left, we've got this option here for batch edit. This means we can go out and apply all the effects and settings to all of the captions, because if you've got a long video, there could be quite a few captions. So let's go and press on batch edit just like so, and then as you can see, there are 7 subtitles. Then go and press select in the left and then select all, and then in the bottom right we've got this edit button with the 2 A's, so press it. Now we can go and choose the font. Personally, I'm going to go and press on Classic 2 just like so, because I quite like a bold font, or I might use Plot actually, that looks quite good. Some of them are very similar to the font Alex Hormozi uses as well, and of course just the effect in general. Then once you've gone and chosen the font, then what you want to do is come to the top of this menu here, and you want to come to the right of those 2 A's, and we've got a color palette button. So press here, and quite obviously is this to choose the color. So there are so many to choose from. So firstly we'll start on color, but then you can go and choose the text, the stroke, the canvas, shadow, spacing, bold italics and things like that as well. And then above this, we've also got a few different options we can use as well. For example, this one here is going to add like a white box around it all, so that's completely up to you. I'm going to keep it quite basic though. So you can choose the color in the color section or the text. Then you can go and add stroke as well, and any canvas things as well you can go and choose. Personally, I want to add a shadow. I think these look really good. So I'll tap on that there, and then you can go and choose the effects of it, like the opacity, the blur, the distance, all that type of stuff. And then the next set of settings is to the right of the color palette. You can choose all of these as well. They look really cool. But what you want to do is add some animations, as this makes the text look insane. So what you want to do is go to the right once again of this effect with this little circle with the lines going off of it, and make sure in is selected. So this is the fade, or the effect in, or the transition in, I should say. So I like to use the pop-up one like that. And then you want to go and choose one for the outgoing as well. As you can see, there are so many to go and choose from. I'm just going to have the fade out because I think that works well. And then that's the main sort of effects you want to go and add. You can choose to lengthen them as well. And the next thing I recommend doing is changing the size. Now, changing the size can be quite annoying because every piece of text is slightly different in length. So you want to sort of test it out, but you can make this slightly bigger by pinching it with your fingers, as you can see, just like that. But then if I move forward, you're going to probably notice that then they get too long. As you can see, they're now cutting off the screen. So if then this is the case, you need to make it smaller, just like so. So pinch it again, just like so, and then scrub through just to make sure you're not cutting any off, just like that. And then once you're happy with it, you can go and press on the tick button, and there we go. Then press the tick again, and boom, there we go. But what's important to note is as well as you can edit these individually. For example, if I wanted to go and edit this one here, just go and tap on it just like so. Then you can go and press on the pen tool on the photo, or you can just scroll along on the bottom navigation bar to effects, and you can go and make further changes in there as well. And if you do want to make the text bigger without cutting it off, then what you can do is go and tap on the text just like so, and then you can go and make it return. So for example, I could go and tap up here, then go and press return, and then that's going to make it slightly smaller. And of course I could do another return as well like that, and then I can go and press the tick and I can make this slightly bigger. just like so, and then I can play it back, and as you can see, that doesn't then cut anything off, but it still looks really good. And anyway guys, that is sort of like the main thing you can do. Of course, there are so many more effects you can apply. I'm just doing this like a quick guide to show you how it works. And then to go and export it, all you need to do is tap on the export button in the top right, just like this, and it's now exporting. It won't take long at all. And then you can go and post it on TikTok or Instagram Reels, it's up to you. As you can see, you can directly post it on TikTok, or you can go and open up TikTok and post it from your camera roll. If you found this guide useful, please go down below and consider leaving a like. Peace.